YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good weekend. Everybody's home safe. We have another special Amazon Prime unboxing to do. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. Get one of these at a low cost. And Prime Day is coming, guys. So might want to check these guys out and see what goodies they're going to have to offer. So, whoa. About to open this big old box. And hopefully it's easy to put together. And it'll be a quick video for us today. So we shall see the true colors once I open you up. Where are you? Alright, here we go. Got through the bubble wrap. Utopia. Alright, there we go. Utopia. Now, this is gonna be something coming from these guys. Care and maintenance instructions. Ooh, frying pans. Alright. Utopia kitchen. Non-stick pan set. Whoa. You get 3 pieces. Induction bottom. 8-inch, 9.5-inch, 11-inch. Perfect for grilled cheese. Okay, let's take a look. Definitely, guys, when you get stuff like this, you might want to definitely throw them in the dishwasher. Whoop, squeaky. Alright, here we go. Dun, 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 dun. Number 1, Johnny. What do we have here? Whoa. Alright, they all come out. Come on out. Let's see what these things look like. I'm not going to be able to test anything. Just nothing to cook today. So it's going to be an easy video just to show what they look like. And then they're done non-stick. So easy to clean. All that good stuff. Alright, got some bubble wrap. Thank God these have the handles. Some of them don't have handles. You gotta buy extra protection. Because, I mean, they do get hot if they're the metal ones. But this will be a good one, definitely. Oh, come on. If I can get this rubber band man off. There we go. Definitely whack some intruder. Just go whack. See? Nice pan. Get the saute onions. Utopia kitchen. Huh. Yeah, like I said, I'm washing these, so if I wash them, you definitely guys should wash them. And everything will be good to go. Definitely not no Gordon Ramsay, so, but I do make some certain small foods. Alright, 8, so definitely not in the cooking mood right now. It's been a long Sunday so far. Here we go. Number 2. Ooh, this is a nice one. We could do some stir fries and stuff like that. Nice deep dish round. Got the bottom. That looks nice. Nice handle. So you can have it hanging. Alright, this is definitely a nice size. And here comes the big one. Biggie size. That is for everything. You cook everything on this one. Look at that. Boom, boom. Get the rubber band man. Nice shipped. So, nice handles. Here's the bottom. Non-stick. Utopia. Amazon Prime. You guys check them out. Link will be down below. Get your set now. It would be a nice little housewarming gift to give somebody. Christmas around the corner. Get your holiday cooking for Thanksgiving. All that good stuff coming up. So you guys be safe. Have a great night. And see you guys pretty soon. See ya.